everybody, and thank you for joining me in this flip through of my Tim Holtz little journal. Let's just see what size it is. It is, get my ruler the right way, between 6.5 I'd say, and it is 6 1/4 that way, and the spine measures 1 3/4, and here we go. It's all Tim Holtz. Everything, pretty much everything. I don't think there's too much in here that is not Tim Holtz. However, I've tied it with this absolutely beautiful silk ribbon. It's just gorgeous. It's part of a silk scarf, and it's such a wonderful Christmas colour. It's just beautiful. So that opens up, and I've just wrapped it round. I haven't put any holes in it or anything like that to spoil it. And that comes off and out the way. So here we are. Here's the front. And there's so many Tim Holtz layers, Christmas people, or dolls as they're called, Christmas layers, you name it. It's kind of all here. And to back it all is Tim Holtz. Well, I'll say ordinary paper, but it's not ordinary, is it? Anyway, enough. It's got corner protectors on the front and the back outer corners. It's got red cotton spine with this lovely lace over it. And as you can clearly see, says Yuletide special delivery. A bit of lace down here. Right, let's move into the journal. So here we have a glassine bag. I have, I can't remember the word, embossed these. The glassine bag is stained. It's got a tag in there and a smaller tag and a little Christmas tree charm, and that's the front. Let's get them out of there. There we are. And then here we've got a glassine bag folded over to make a pocket. Got a little tag in there. We've got a little peep here. Nice little lace cluster, I guess, with a couple of buttons. And then this is a tuck. And behind that we've got this, "O Come All Ye Faithful." It's a carol, I believe. And here we've got a piece of craft card that I've just stamped on and put a little thumb hold there. And they go in there, so there's a bit of journaling to be had. Over the page, oh, this is pretty, isn't it? It's just a corner pocket, and it's got a December calendar on it, a couple of snowflakes that I've cut out using Tim Holtz Sizzix snowflake die. A couple of nice little bits of ephemera in there. And then 2 from the layers pack. Really nice. This is just a double pocket. A couple of snowflakes then, a little bit of ephemera around the place, and same on this one. And in here, these bits of journaling, I've got a bit of lace on, and they just fold out, so you can journal on there and then pop them back in, no problem. And that folds over. I mean, you turn it over, it doesn't fold anywhere. And this is a 3-page pocket. It's got a little bit of journaling in there, a bit of lace on the side, just so you're aware it is actually a pocket. A little bit in there and a little bit in here. And then another sort of lace and button assemblage. And then here we've got a pocket. I've used coffee stained paper, and I've put lace over the top, the same lace that I've used on the spine. I used the coffee stained paper behind it because I knew if I just used the lace, everything you put in it and out of it would just get caught, and it would just be a curse, annoying. So there's a bit of ephemera from the layers, I believe, and another little bit of lace. And then we've got a couple of cards in here. That's from the layers. Look at the beautiful picture behind. Gorgeous. From Tim Holtz Wallflower. And then here we've got a little pocket on this with the cutest little Tim Holtz bulldog clip. And this comes out, and it's a bit of journaling. Look at that, it's quite long, isn't it? Then we've got a little pocket here with coffee stained paper, a couple of snowflakes on it. That just tucks into there. And then the cute little bulldog clip, which is so tiny, it just clips on the top and keeps it all in place. So there we are, that's that one. Then over the page we've got a belly band with lace down each side and a really nice journaling card in there. I've embossed the ribbon there, and it's While Shepherds Watch, so it's another carol. Suitable for the occasion. The music paper is not Tim Holtz, just about everything else is. Even this is Tim Holtz card craftstock. Now then, this page, I love this page, looks really nice and full. We've got another little one of these here, tiny little bulldog clip, and that pulls out and it's journaling down there. And so let's put that away, we've seen that. Clip that onto the top. Then in this compartment we've got a couple of snowflakes, some lace and a couple of bits from the ephemera pack. This is also folded over. There's another couple of bits from the ephemera pack and one of those Tim Holtz, it's almost impossible I think for you to see that. It's a tiny little brad, but on the top it's got the markings of a Phillips screw head. I've left it like that. I don't think that's offensive. I'm all right with that. And that just tucks into there. And then in the back we've got a big journaling card. I made a collage of some of the pieces of worn wallpaper that I had and then put Santa Claus on there, sewed around it and put a little lace frill on the top, and that just slides down into the back for more journaling. This page at the back there's a nice big journaling card. I've embossed the poinsettias. And I think this is, yeah, God Rest You Merry Gentlemen. And then we have a vellum pocket here. Let me just take that out. This is vellum, folded over twice, so it's got a bit of strength about it. And I've sewn around it. Nice little embossed parcel post there. Coffee stained paper ruffle. This piece from the layers set goes into there. The candy cane, worn wallpaper, a couple of little bits of ephemera into this beautiful little brown pocket that I was gifted. So I'm really pleased to use that. And I've embossed that, admit one little bit of lace there, so that's that page. This page, yeah, look at that dog. Just look at him, I've embossed him. Can you see? There he is. And he says Merry Christmas, got the big 25 special delivery, and then this comes off here and it's journaling. So that's useful, isn't it? So I mean, obviously you can journal on the other side as well. So that's a nice useful bit to have in there. Let's just fold it the right way, would be helpful, like that, and just tucks up under this tiny little paper clip there. So that's that page. Oh, I should have said on... No, we haven't been here yet. I missed a page out. Here we are. This is the next page. And this has got 1, 2, 3 pockets, and they're absolutely stuffed with tiny little bits of ephemera. Really interesting. Lots of stuff going on. And a nice big journaling card in there. So that's that one. This one, this is the negative space after I've cut out some, I think they're called festive leaves or holiday leaves or something. I've cut them out and I've used the waste, if you like, the negative space, and I've put a tiny little belly band down there and stuck that through it. I've embossed the special delivery, and in the back of that there's this one, which you can see I've embossed the holly berries. Good King Wenceslas, a little bit of ribbon down there. Lace, I should say, really. And yeah, on the side of that we've got a little charm, which is some holly, some berries and some bells. So that's nice. Then here we've got, this is a pocket, and I've popped a piece of one of the layers into there. So that goes into there like that. We've got another bit of Christmas Carol with a very vintage looking Santa on there. Then here we've got another one of those very similar arrangements. It's got a snowflake and a bit of ephemera on the front, folds out just like all the others. This is vellum pocket that's been coffee stained, and I've sewn around it because it can get a bit sort of brittle. So, you know, I've sewn it just to make it stronger, and the little bulldog clip goes on the top there. Here we've got an envelope, and it's got a charm on it of a snowman, a very happy looking snowman actually. It's just held down with a little paper clip. There's actually nothing inside it. Nothing's, you know, you could put anything you like in it. Here we've got 2 Tim Peeps. I don't know, they're just so cute. They're just little sisters out in the snow, with photo frame and a couple of snowflakes there. Just pop that on at the top just to keep that shut. And then it's got a journaling card in the back, which is this one with some lace on it, the poinsettias, parcel post, a bit more journaling. So that goes in there. Then here we've got 3 pockets, and the top pocket has got in one of the layers, and it says wishing you a Merry Christmas. You can see I've really been chomping through the Tim Holtz stuff. This one, which is Santa on his sleigh with all his reindeers, and it must be Christmas Eve because he's got all his presents on the back. Woo-hoo. Then here we've got one that says December the 25th, Christmas wishes. I love this one actually, it's really, really nice. And then down at the bottom we've got a really small belly band with a couple of pieces of small ephemera in it, and they just sit in there like that. Then here we've got a little tag with a snowflake on that just slides out of the way. You open that up and there's a booklet there for journaling. This is sellotape, or I can't remember what you call it in the States. Oh, somebody told me, now I forget, doesn't matter. You know what I mean, packing tape, that sort of thing. And I've stained that red with alcohol markers. That comes over, and I've put another bit there just for security. Couple of snowflakes on there, and that just slides back in there to keep that closed. Nice poinsettia, special delivery. Here we've got this amazing 4-pocket roundabout. That's what I'm going to call it, a roundabout. So these are in one pocket, these are in another, these are in another, and these are in another. It's amazing, isn't it? It's really, really brilliant. Then this top corner tuck with a couple of snowflakes and this bit of journaling. I really like this actually. It's just a sort of a collage, I suppose you'd call it, with strips that I've got from the worn wallpaper and a piece of ephemera there, and it's just a journaling spot, and that goes up into there. Then over the page we've got another tummy tuck. We've got a little paper clip there with a bit of lace in, and when that comes off you can see that this is a little journal. So that's good, nice, good to use. Let's just pop the paper clip back on there, otherwise I'll forget where they've come from. That's that. And then behind that we've got this journaling card. I've embossed the berries. Now here we've got a 3-page arrangement, 3-pocket, not page. This is one pocket down at the bottom, and it's got this collage of worn wallpaper. Here we've got a little sort of cluster, compliments of the season, a couple of buttons, and that's actually another pocket with that tag in it. Then here, a very small little cluster, one piece of ephemera and a button with another tag in it. And then here at the front we've got a snowflake, some really beautiful lace, and this that I've set up just to give us a bit of dimension. And the last page, 25 again, it's a little corner tuck. That's the journaling card that goes with it. That just slides into there. And then on the very back page, a piece from the layers, some sort of Christmas roses that I've done in a metallic dark red, some I forget what it's called now, crochet lace or something like that. It's a die, it's a Sizzix Tim Holtz die as well. This is a coffee stained glassine bag with a couple of journaling cards in, tags actually, and they just pop into there. And then the back is a Tim Holtz collage, just plain. So, you know, I like to keep the back of my journals plain. So that is that. And it comes, as I say, with this lovely red silk bow. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon, I'm sure. Bye.